All right, we'll do a sound check on the entire set. Hopefully you can still hear it well. It is raining pretty hard outside. All right, so I've got 2 different sticks that come with this. We've got, well, actually 3 different sticks. We have cajon brushes, wire brushes, and some regular wooden sticks. The snare drum does tend to get a little ringy, so I've got some dampeners on here as well. So here we are with the brushes. We'll just do the cajon bass first, so with my pedal. I'll go really loud, really quiet. All right, let's add the snare with the brushes. Louder. All right, here we go with the cymbals, hi-hat. Right cymbal. And crash cymbal. Let's put it all together. Those are the brushes. We can get even louder with some regular wooden drumsticks. We'll go on the snare first. I'll start quiet and then build it up. Full sound check.